So now I'm just gonna do my thing just to like thread and kind of like make them kind of defined. My lashes. Ah! Honestly, I don't like how my eyebrows turned out, but it's fine. It's okay. Because this one is a little like thicker than this one, so it kind of looks weird. Guys, sorry for my ghetto beanie, but it's cold. But yeah. I like the lashes though. Not too long, just almost like mine, but like full. Well, I'm back home. I'm having food actually. Like, I couldn't wait. I was hungry, so I'm gonna like tell you guys how these things feel. First of all, they're heavy. But it was a cool experience. What I would say if you're gonna get these is that like there's gonna be a bit of discomfort, but it's not too bad. And do I see myself getting these again? No, they're pretty expensive, and by expensive I mean 300, and that's too much for me for these, and they always only last for like 2 weeks, so I'm not gonna do that to myself unless you guys want to pay for me. No, hit me up. So I'm just eating, and yeah, that's today. I'm gonna vlog for a week, so enjoy this week of my life, guys. See you maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm having my bio exam, so I'll probably won't vlog, but we'll see. So do you guys like it? Comment down below. Tell me, what are we doing?
So we're having street food,
yes,
at our favorite place in Kangwa, called Mama's Joint. They make the best wings and chips.
The best.
It's the best, trust me.
And they're leaving tomorrow, so we thought let's just do
something. Like, because we're going to miss it.
Yeah.
Definitely. So,
this is where we buy our food, guys.
In the street.
When we're lazy to cook, street food is the best.
It's the best.
So yeah,
yes sir.
So we're gonna go to the shops and get some food for the trip. So yeah.
Are we vlogging the trip?
I can't believe everything we have with us. We young and naive.
They fucking lie.
Guys, so we're finalizing packing. It's looking a hot mess in here, but yeah, we're going home.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your family.
Apart from the fact that we're tired. We're tired. Finally. Yes, sir. But hi guys, so we were stuck. Well, we were stuck at Joburg. We couldn't go home because our couldn't be too far behind. So we had to sleep at a hotel. Here she is. But we're about to go home now, so yeah, it was not too bad. It's joburg, so see you guys later. Hi guys, so today is literally 3 weeks later. Yeah, a lot happened, and since the trip a lot happened. So basically when we got to South Africa, we got left by our shuttle that was going to Swaziland, right? So we had to like sleep or find a hotel at Joburg, which is really scary because we weren't anticipating to like stay there. But anyway, we spent the night there, and then yeah, we got to leave in the morning the following day. Okay, yeah, that was cool. And then we were getting like messages and texts from our family that, you know, it was bad in Swaziland. There were protests and looting and riots. It was bad, guys. Let me tell you, it was bad. Like, it was actually also mentally, physically, and just emotionally debilitating. So I feel like that's why I kind of like came back, and then I just totally forgot about YouTubing and making videos or whatever, because I was just like so low because it was bad, guys. And yeah, so basically that happened. My country is fighting for proud democracy. If you don't already know, go check out my Twitter if you want to know more, and just educate yourself, especially if you're Swazi. Go educate yourself. So yeah, I just wanted to record this just to end the video because my footage is like embarrassing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hopefully will record more vlogs for you guys, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you're new, subscribe. If you're a family member, thank you for staying with me and sticking with me all the way. So let's get to 700 subscribers, and I will be making a huge giveaway at 1K, so let's go.